How to fix Starsand Island crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click the game in your library and open up the properties window. Now in launch options box you want to add -dx11 and then go to the installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is done, you can close Steam and open up a new browser tab and search for Redist. And you want to click on the first Microsoft link. Now scroll down and click on the 86 version download link and the 64. You will need to download and install both of these right here. And if you have them already installed, you can click on the repair installation button. Otherwise, it will perform a fresh install if you don't have them. And once this is done, it will ask you to restart your system. Now, after the restart, you want to make sure you have the latest GPU updates installed. So if you have NVIDIA GPU, you will need to download and install the NVIDIA app. Otherwise, you can use the AMD software if you have AMD. And from there, you can download and install the latest available driver updates. And after that, you will need to run Steam as admin, right click and run as admin. And then you can launch the game from your library. And this should fix the crashing issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.